Thank you. G'day folks, I am pushing this lawnmower, supporting brave hearts who support sexually abused children. I've been doing it around Australia for 12 years, 5 months a year, and I raised a total now of $1.2 million.
Nice job. Anything else you want to say?
Yeah, as I said, I've been doing this for 12 years, 5 months a year, and I love doing it for the children of Australia. And I think it's a really worthwhile cause because too many kids get sexually abused.
Yeah. Everyone go donate to his website or the website down here. The link will be in the description of the video, so make sure to go and donate the man some money right there. See you, mate. Nice job.
Thanks.
See ya.
See ya.
Bye.
So young nigga got the sauce on me. Boast like a young nigga was roast on me. Pull up on your shorty, I put sauce on it. Sauce on young nigga got the sauce on me.